So, ang quadratic expression ay isang algebraic expression na may form ng ax squared plus bx plus c. So, ito yon number 1. ax squared plus bx plus c. Ito yung form ng quadratic expression. Wala siyang equal to 0. Wala siyang equal to 0 kasi pag meron siyang equal to 0, hindi na siya quadratic expression. Magiging quadratic equation na siya. Alright? And next, number 2, highest exponent is 2. So para maging quadratic expression, ang highest exponent should be 2. So dito sa ax squared plus bx plus c, ang highest exponent ng x is 2. Ito yung highest exponent. Ito, 1. Okay? Next, number 3, a, b, and c are constants. So ito daw yung a, b, and c are constants. Alright? And next, number 4, a should not equal to 0. So itong a daw dito is hindi siya equal to 0. Kasi nga, pag equal to 0 yan, like for example, a times x squared with a is equal to 0, 0 times x squared, that will give us 0. At pag 0 yan, ito na lang yung matitira. At pag yan yung natira, hindi na siya quadratic expression. Linear na siya. Okay? Next, number 4. For number 5, one unknown. Isa lang daw yung unknown. So, in this case, ang unknown dito is only x. Okay? So, ang unknown dyan is only x. Alright? So, let's have an example. 3x squared plus 5x minus 1. Okay? So, i-check natin kung quadratic expression to. So, number 1, ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay? Dapat ganyan yung form. So, in this example, is nasa ax squared plus bx plus c form siya. So, it's correct. Okay? Number 2, highest exponent is 2. So, check natin yung x squared plus 5x. So, yung highest exponent here is 2. So, therefore, number 2 is also correct. Number 3, a, b plus c are constants. 3, 5, and negative 1. Correct din siya. And in number 4, a is not equal to 0. So, hindi siya 0 kasi meron siya dito 3. Hindi siya 0. And next, number 5, or number 4 is correct. And number 5, only one unknown. So, ang unknown lang dito is x. So, therefore, correct. So, therefore, ito ay isang quadratic expression.